Very good morning, students. How are you? I think you may all are fine, right? Students, today in this class, I am going to do revision for second chapter, the four fundamental operations. Okay. In that, four fundamental operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. First, we are going to revise addition of large numbers. For example, add 34 lakh 72,394 and 49 lakhs 43,826. Okay. To find that, we have to add these two numbers. Okay. To do this problem, we should first write place value chart. Okay, all of you remember place value chart. Now I am going to insert these numbers in place value chart. Okay, first we should take 34 lakhs 72,394. Okay, this 4 is in the place of ones, 9 is in the place of tens, 3 is in the place of 100, 2 is in the place of 1000, 7 is in the place of 10,000, 4 is in the place of lakhs, 3 is in the place of 10 lakhs. Okay, next I am going to substitute 49 lakhs 43,826. Okay, now I am going to add this number. Okay, 6 is in the place of ones, 2 is in the place of tens, 8 is in the place of 100, 3 is in the place of 1000, this 4 is in the place of 10,000, 9 is in the place of lakhs, and 4 is in the place of 10 lakhs. Okay, and in addition operation we can have 2, 3, 4 or many addends. Okay, and each number to be added in an addition sum is called addend. Okay, all of you see here, this is one addend. Okay, and this is one addend. Okay, here two addend is there. Okay, and we can add more than two addends and can also change the order of the addends also. Okay, order of the addends. Okay, this is one order, this is second order. Okay, we can change this order also, but the sum will remain same only. Okay, now I am going to add these numbers. Okay, here 4 plus 6 how much? 10. Okay, write 0 here, take 1 carry to the next place, tens place here, and 9 plus 2 how much? 11. 11 plus 1 carry 12, write 2 here, again take 1 carry to the 100 place, 3 plus 8 how much? 11. 11 plus 1 carry 12, write 2 here, again take 1 carry here to the 1000 place, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 carry 6, right, and move to the next 10,000 place here in 7 and 4 is there, 7 plus 4 11, write 1 here, and again take 1 carry to the lakhs place, 4 plus 9 how much? 13, right, 13 plus 1 14. Okay, write 4 here, again take 1 carry to the 10 lakhs place, and here 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 1 carry 8. Okay, we got 84 lakhs 16,220. Okay, here in your textbook they were given this method. Okay, we should do directly also. Okay, by taking these numbers. Okay, 34 lakhs 72,394 and 49 lakhs 43,826. Okay, like this we can do directly also. Okay, when we add these two numbers we get 84 lakhs 16,220. Okay, like this is addition of large numbers. Okay, students, next we are going to revise subtraction of large numbers. For example, subtract 6,34,568 and minus 3,92,709. Okay, here these both numbers are 6-digit numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here we need to find the difference between the two numbers. Okay, so we have to do subtraction. Okay, to subtract large numbers we should follow some steps. Okay, first we need to arrange the minuend and subtrahend. Okay, this is here they were already given. Okay, so this is minuend. Okay, this is subtrahend. Okay, subtrahend. Okay, and here I am going to do directly. Okay, no need to write place value chart and all. Okay, if you do by writing place value chart, that is also correct. Okay, here, okay, this is ones column, this is tens column, this is hundreds column, this is thousands column, and this is 10,000 column, and this is lakhs column, right? Now I am going to start subtraction from ones column. Okay, here in ones column 8 is there. Okay, and 8 and 9 is there. Okay, so from 8 we can't subtract 9. Take one borrow from 6. Okay, take one borrow from 6. Now it will become 18, right? 18 minus 9, how much? 9, right? Now here 6 will become 5, right? 5 minus 0, how much? 5, 5, right here. Okay, and here in hundreds column 5 is there. Okay, 5 and 7. From 5 we can't subtract 7, right? Again take one borrow from 4. Okay, and now it will become 15, right? 15 minus 7, 8, right? 15 minus 7, 8. And here the 4 will become 3 now. Okay, 3 minus 2, how much? 1. Okay, and here in 10,000 column 3 is there. Okay, from 3 we can't subtract 9, right? So take one borrow from 6. Okay, now it will become 13, right? 13 minus 9, how much? 4. Okay, write 4 here. Here 6 will become 5. Okay, 5 minus 3, how much? 2. Okay, here we got 2,41,859. Okay, now we need to insert comma. Okay, according to periods wise. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand, 10,000, here lakh. Okay, like this. So this is subtraction of large numbers. Okay.